Realme Indonesia is preparing for the launch of its latest number series that emphasizes camera capabilities, blessed with two Sony Litia sensors and the latest AI algorithms. But apart from the camera features, the design of the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G has also been refreshed. Inspired by the famous painter Claude Monet, yes, the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G is ready for its official debut next 19 September. Coming in two different options, the Realme 13 Pro 5G and Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G both feature a new design that is equally inspired by Monet's most popular works, very different from the hero color of the previous generation. Broadly speaking, the design of the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G is still made more or less the same, where on the side corners, it is made slightly curved on the left and right sides, both on the front and rear sections. The camera module circle is still made large, only now it has a new accent on the bottom side instead of in the center of the four circles inside. In an official release, Sherry Dong, head of marketing of Realme Southeast Asia and South Asia, said that the debut of Realme 13 Pro Series 5G in Indonesia is a manifestation of the company's commitment to continue to present leading-edge technology, especially for young people. Now Realme is bringing back the periscope telephoto feature on the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G, which this time we enhanced with a touch of AI technology, he explained. Not only the camera technology, the design of the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G is also made slightly different compared to the previous generation. Equally available in both glass back and vegan leather options, it now carries a design inspired by the legendary work of Monet. In direct collaboration with the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G will be available in a Monet gold color option, while the Pro 5G version will carry a special Monet purple color. Both colors are inspired by Claude Monet's haystacks and water lilies paintings, combined with a frosted high-gloss glass surface and sparkling accents. These accents make the body surface of the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G more comfortable to hold, while giving it a premium look. Not only that, the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G is also the next smartphone from Realme to receive next AI development, after previously debuting on the Realme GT6. However, this time, the number series focuses more on photography features. Although only launched in the next week, Realme Indonesia also leaked the advantages of the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G camera sector, especially the flagship Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G. This smartphone will carry the first dual Sony lenses in its segment. In addition to the Sony LYT600 periscope telephoto sensor, the Sony LYT701 sensor is also embedded, being the first in a smartphone. Both sensors are 50-megapixel resolution and OIS enabled. The main sensor of the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G has a large sensor size of 1.56 inches, while the periscope supports 3 times optical zoom and 6 times in-sensor zoom for the best image quality even when zoomed in, paired with Realme's latest Hyper Image Plus algorithm. In addition to ultra-clear photos and ultra-clear zoom, there is also ultra-clear AI, which consists of a series of AI-based features, such as AI Ultra Clarity, AI Hyper Raw Algorithm, AI Group Photo Enhance, and AI Smart Removal. What are the uses of each of these features? We look forward to the launch of the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G on 19 September. To produce a more attractive rear body surface on the Realme 13 Pro Series 5G design, Realme collaborated with MFA Boston, a museum that carries the most complete collection of Impressionist painter Claude Monet, especially the popular Haystacks painting. In the design of the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G, The inspiration of the painting is shown in its flagship color variant, Monet Gold, where there are many small particles all over the rear body, simulating the brushstrokes of a painting. The different shades of gold can change according to the light captured in the surroundings, making it look very premium. Furthermore, Realme incorporates the glossy glass surface of Miracle Shining Glass, making it both shiny and free from fingerprint marks, keeping it clean even when used without a case. Complementing the all-over gold color aspect, the camera circle carries a sunrise halo design that is made to match. Similarly, the four sides are also colored gold. Dimensionally, the design of the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G feels more or less the same compared to the previous generation. But if you launch the official Realme India website, it is written that this smartphone actually appears slimmer, with a thinness of only 8.2 millimeters. Likewise with the weight, starting around 185 grams only, though the battery capacity is slightly larger, complete with faster charging. Besides the Monet Gold color option, the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G design is also available in other colors and materials. Yes, the emerald green version uses premium vegan leather. Unlike the previous generation, there is no stitching accent in the center of the body that runs from top to bottom. It is made simpler. Even so, it still looks premium with a surface that feels very comfortable and tight in the hand. These two colors will be available for the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G, so that friends get different choices, both the brightness of the color and the surface of the body, according to their individual tastes. Still on the Realme India website, the design of the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G is also reinforced with IP65 certification, making it dust and water resistant. There is a layer of armor shield glass on the front side, as well as a reinforced middle frame. It is claimed that it does not dent even if dropped from a height of 165 centimeters onto a hard surface such as granite.